This short guide answers how to buy shares of VIL.PA Compagnie SA in a few clear steps. VIL.PA Compagnie SA is listed on Euronext under the ticker VIL.PA. This is an educational overview and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VIL.PA to locate VIL.PA Compagnie SA. Select the exact listing for VIL.PA on Euronext to open the asset page. On the stock page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Verify the page displays VIL.PA Compagnie SA and the VIL.PA ticker before moving on. Tap or click Invest into the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or use a limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in the portfolio view where you can monitor it over time. For the example link to eToro and more information, see the description below.